Have you ever wondered why erections get weaker, energy drops, and sleep becomes lighter after 50, and no one wants to talk about it? Most men blame age or testosterone alone, but that's not the real root problem. What if one simple vitamin taken at night could quietly support harder erections, deeper sleep, and next-day energy? In this video, I'll explain why timing matters more than you think. I'm Dr. Rachel Ross, and I've spent decades helping men restore health naturally. Tell me where you're watching from and gently like and subscribe so we can keep this conversation going. You know, most men over 50 think their problems start in the morning when they wake up groggy with low energy, no morning wood, and a general sense of something's off. But what if I told you that the real issue doesn't start in the morning at all? It actually begins the night before. You see, after 50, your body shifts. Hormones fluctuate more easily. Sleep becomes lighter, and circulation slows. But the most important thing, your body stops doing its best repair work at night. And that's when the decline in erections, energy, and deep sleep really begins. Biologically, nighttime is when testosterone is supposed to get rebuilt. It's when growth hormone rises, blood vessels relax, and your nervous system shifts into repair mode. But if your sleep is shallow, your room is too warm, or your stress hormones are still firing late into the evening, your body doesn't enter the deep sleep phase where all this regeneration happens. And without that phase, your testosterone production stalls and your blood vessels don't dilate the way they should. That's when morning performance starts to weaken. Not because you're older, but because your body never got the nighttime support it needed. I've had patients come to me frustrated. They've tried testosterone boosters, caffeine, even sleeping pills, but nothing touches the root cause. I always ask the same question. What's your night routine like? Most men over 50 don't realize that just one bad habit, like watching TV with bright lights on until midnight or eating a heavy meal too late, can sabotage the entire hormonal process. And when that happens night after night, the body adapts downward. Less testosterone, weaker blood flow, broken sleep, it all stacks up. Here's what you can do. Starting tonight, about 90 minutes before bed, dim your lights, especially overhead lights. That single step helps your brain release melatonin naturally. Melatonin is what triggers your deep sleep cycle, but it also sets off a cascade that protects testosterone and supports healthy blood vessel function overnight. It sounds simple, but for men over 50, light control in the evening is as powerful as any supplement. And here's the twist. There's one critical vitamin your body nighttime biology explained can't properly absorb unless your evening rhythm is in sync. Most men are deficient in it, and they never think to check. In the next chapter, I'll explain exactly what that vitamin is, how it works during sleep, and why taking it in the morning might be the reason it's not helping you at all. There's one vitamin that quietly powers so much of what your body needs at night. But most men over 50 have never been told how important it is. I'm talking about magnesium. Not the flashy energy boost kind of supplement you see advertised, but the deep cellular kind of magnesium your body burns through every single night. When you sleep, especially in deep sleep, your body uses magnesium to calm the nervous system, relax blood vessels, support testosterone production, and even regulate your heart rhythm. Without enough magnesium, all of those nighttime processes suffer. Let's break it down in real terms. When you finally drift into that deep, slow-wave sleep, your brain goes into repair mode. Your testosterone production peaks during this stage. Blood vessels expand, your heart rate slows. But to do all this, your cells require magnesium. It's the mineral that acts like an on switch for over 300 enzymes. That includes enzymes needed for testosterone synthesis, nitric oxide release for better blood flow, and GABA activation to calm the nervous system. So, if you're waking up tense, exhausted, or with softer erections, it's often not just age. It's a magnesium shortage that's been quietly draining you. Now, stress plays a big role here. When you're under stress, your body dumps magnesium rapidly. Cortisol, the stress hormone, triggers the kidneys to flush it out. That's why men who have high-pressure jobs, poor sleep, or even mild anxiety often become depleted without knowing it. I've had men in their 60s tell me, "Doc, I'm doing everything right. I'm eating clean, I'm walking daily, but I'm still tired, and I don't sleep deeply. When I check their magnesium levels, they're usually scraping the bottom. And here's the part most don't realize. Taking magnesium in the morning may not help. Why? Because your body uses magnesium most aggressively at night when you're in recovery mode. Taking it in the morning, especially with coffee or on an empty stomach, often just increases elimination. Your body doesn't have what it needs when it actually needs it. But when you take it in the evening, especially 1 to 2 hours before bed, it aligns with your natural circadian rhythm. It signals your nervous system to slow down. It helps your blood vessels relax for better circulation, and it supports that crucial hormone repair window when testosterone is restored. One of my patients, David, 58, was waking up 5 times a night. He thought it was just normal aging. We added magnesium glycinate to his evening routine, dimmed his lights early, and within 2 weeks, he said, "I finally feel like I actually slept." His morning energy, mood, and yes, his performance started to improve. But not all magnesium is created equal, and even when you get the right type, it still won't work if blood flow is poor. That brings us to something even more important: why harder erections are about more than performance. They're actually a sign of your inner circulation health. Let me explain. Most men don't realize that nighttime erections are more than just a sign of desire. They're actually a signal from your circulatory system that everything's working properly under the hood. In fact, one of the earliest signs of poor cardiovascular health is a decline in erection quality, especially at night. That's because the same blood vessels that supply your heart also supply the penis. If those vessels aren't opening fully, or if blood flow is sluggish, the body will show you long before a heart issue ever does, and after 50, this signal becomes even more important to watch. Here's the biology. Erections depend on healthy blood vessels and something called nitric oxide, a natural compound your body, the vitamin your body uses while you sleep, produces to help blood vessels relax and expand. At night, especially during deep sleep, your brain signals for spontaneous erections. It's a maintenance process. Think of it like stretching the vascular system. If nitric oxide levels are low or your vessels are stiff from inflammation or plaque buildup, those nighttime erections become weaker or stop altogether. That's not just about sex. It's about circulation. Now, what impacts nitric oxide production most after age 50? 2 big things: stress and poor sleep. When you're not getting deep restorative sleep, your body doesn't make as much nitric oxide. And if your magnesium levels are already low, as we talked about in the last chapter, your blood vessels don't get the message to open up fully. The result: you wake up feeling tired, your morning erections fade, and you may notice cold hands or feet, another sign of poor circulation. But there's a natural, simple step you can take to start restoring this process. Add a small amount of nitratoric vegetables to your evening meal. Foods like beets, arugula, spinach, or even a small glass of beet juice can support nitric oxide levels overnight. When paired with magnesium, this creates a synergistic effect. Magnesium helps blood vessels respond, and dietary nitrates give the raw materials to produce more nitric oxide. One of my patients, Ken, age 64, started adding steamed spinach to dinner along with evening magnesium. Within 3 weeks, his sleep deepened, and he told me, "Doc, I woke up with one for the first time in months." The best part: this isn't a quick fix, it's long-term repair. By improving blood flow at night, you're not just supporting sexual health, you're also protecting your brain, heart, and energy levels. Your body thrives on circulation. But here's the connection most men don't know. Nitric oxide and testosterone are teammates. They rise and fall together, and both depend on deep sleep to peak naturally. Which brings us to the next part of this puzzle: how deep sleep controls your hormone levels more than any pill ever could. Let's talk about what's really happening in your body while you sleep. Deep sleep isn't just for rest, it's where your body rebuilds everything that makes you feel like a man. Testosterone, growth hormone, energy, recovery. It all happens during one critical window in the night: deep, uninterrupted sleep. For men over 50, this stage becomes harder to reach, but more important than ever. When your body doesn't get into this deep sleep phase or doesn't stay there long enough, your hormone levels slowly decline no matter how many supplements you take or how healthy you try to eat. During the day, let me explain what's happening under the surface. Deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep, triggers the pituitary gland in your brain to release pulses of growth hormone. This hormone not only supports muscle repair and fat metabolism, but it also indirectly boosts your body's ability to make testosterone. Most testosterone is produced in the early hours of sleep around 2 to 4 a.m., as long as your body is relaxed and fully at rest. But when sleep is shallow or interrupted, those hormone pulses don't happen. That means you start the next day at a hormonal deficit, and it compounds night after night. Have you ever woken up at 3 a.m. for no reason and couldn't fall back asleep? That's one of the most common complaints I hear from men over 60. You fall asleep fine, but you wake up wired and then lie there frustrated for hours. That's a nervous system imbalance, often caused by poor blood sugar regulation or elevated cortisol. And without enough magnesium in your system, your brain struggles to shift back into deep sleep. You may eventually drift off again, but you've already missed that critical hormone repair window. And the next day, you feel it. Low energy, low motivation, brain fog, maybe even a flat mood. So, how do we fix this? One simple routine I recommend is this. About 90 minutes before bed, turn off all overhead lights and avoid screens. Instead, read a real book or take a warm shower to cue your brain that sleep is coming. Then take your magnesium supplement, ideally magnesium. How to take it safely: glycinate, alongside a small protein-rich snack like a boiled egg or a spoonful of almond butter. This helps stabilize blood sugar and allows the magnesium to be absorbed smoothly. This combination calms the nervous system, relaxes your muscles, and nudges you gently into deep sleep, where hormone rebuilding happens. I've seen men in their 70s who swore they'd never sleep through the night again, start waking up refreshed after making these small changes. It's not magic, it's just biology working the way it's supposed to. But none of this matters if you're using the wrong type of magnesium or taking it in the wrong way. In the next chapter, I'll walk you through exactly how to take it safely, when to take it, and the common mistakes that prevent this powerful vitamin from doing its job. If you're going to use magnesium to improve erection, sleep, and energy, it has to be taken the right way. I've seen too many men over 50 buy a bottle of magnesium, take it once in the morning, feel no difference, and give up. The truth is, magnesium works best when it matches your body's natural rhythm, and that rhythm is nighttime repair. But beyond timing, there are also different types of magnesium, and not all of them are created equal. Taking the wrong kind or mixing it with the wrong foods can completely block its benefits. Let's start with timing. The ideal time to take magnesium is about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to absorb it fully and start calming the nervous system before you lie down. If you take it too close to bedtime, you might still be digesting it when you're trying to fall asleep. Too early, and the calming effect wears off before you need it most. It's a small window, but it makes a big difference, especially for men struggling with light sleep or frequent waking. Now, dosage. For most men over 50, 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate is a safe and effective range. I recommend starting low, around 200 mg, and adjusting slowly. Glycinate is gentle on the stomach and doesn't cause loose stools like some other forms such as magnesium citrate. Avoid oxide. It's poorly absorbed and mostly acts as a laxative. You're not trying to empty your bowels. You're trying to nourish your nervous system, support blood, vessels, and boost deep sleep quality. There's also a food factor. Taking magnesium with a small protein-based snack helps stabilize blood sugar and improve absorption. But avoid taking it with high calcium foods like dairy or calcium supplements at the same time. Calcium competes with magnesium for absorption in the gut, which means you may not get the full benefit if you pair them together. I had a patient, Leo, age 67, who was taking magnesium with his nightly glass of milk. He wasn't feeling any better. Once we separated the two, his sleep and energy improved in less than 2 weeks. A practical tip you can try: pick one consistent time and location for your supplement. This helps form a habit. For example, keep your magnesium on the kitchen counter next to your favorite tea mug. When the lights go down in the evening, Your brain will link the routine with winding down, and that mental cue alone can improve your sleep response over time. And here's something most doctors don't mention. Magnesium takes time to build up in your system. You may not notice a huge shift in 1 or 2 nights, but over 3 to 4 weeks, as levels normalize, you'll likely see deeper sleep, stronger morning erections, and steadier energy. Now that you know how to take it properly, let me leave you with something even more important. Why this isn't just about magnesium at all. It's about trusting your body to heal when given the right tools and remembering your best years are still ahead. If you've been feeling like your body is letting you down, I want you to know it's not your fault. What you're going through isn't weakness. It's biology reacting to years of stress, shallow sleep, and missing nutrients like magnesium. The good news, you can change the direction starting tonight. Harder erections, better sleep, more steady energy. These aren't about fighting your age. They're about working with your body's natural rhythm. One small change at night can ripple into powerful results over time. No quick fixes here, just real progress. I'd love to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments and let us know your biggest sleep or energy challenge. This is a space for men over 50 to learn, support, and grow together. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're shaped by the choices you make starting tonight. Let's rebuild naturally,